Tetrachromacy, the ability to perceive the world in a more colorful sight. Key fact 1. Most people have 3 photoreceptors called cones that they use to see up to 1 million colors. These cones work just like how our computer screens mix RGB light. But there are a few people who have 4 cones instead. This is called tetrachromacy. The extra cone can help them see more shades and tiny color differences that others might miss. Key fact 2. Up to 12% of women might have the genetic potential for tetrachromacy. It is more common in women because the gene for the extra cone that causes tetrachromacy is linked to the X chromosome. The reason it's more uncommon in men is because men have only one X chromosome. A gene change on their X chromosome changes all of their cones genes, leading to a form of color blindness instead. Key fact 3. True tetrachromacy is rare in humans. Having the gene does not always mean seeing the extra colors. There is only a small number of fully functional tetrachromats that are confirmed. This is because scientists don't yet have a reliable way to test who truly has fully working tetrachromacy. Some people may have the extra cone, but their brain may not process the extra color information, so they see colors like most people. It is estimated that less than 1% of the population can truly see this expanded view of the world. Key fact 4. Even if you have 4 cone types, the brain must use the information to see extra colors. Having 4 cones does not always mean someone sees more colors, because the brain also has to be able to use the extra signal. The eye captures the light, but it's the brain that creates the image that you see. Your brain needs 4 color channels to process all the color information. Without this neural connection, the extra cones data is ignored, making the person's vision a normal trichromat's. The 4th cone also has to have a different frequency sensitivity. If it doesn't, the brain may not get enough new information from the extra cone to boost color sensitivity. Key fact 5, tetrachromats may be able to distinguish many more colors than average. As previously mentioned, the normal person can see about 1 million colors. But tetrachromats may perceive a lot more depending on how their extra cone works. Scientists estimate that they can potentially see up to 100 million colors. That's nearly 100 times more than a normal person. Tetrachromats see color differences that others miss. They see extra hues and shadows and light. They can perceive subtle differences in shades, brightness, and saturation that, to others, look perfectly identical. The extra cone may also add a 4th dimension of color. This means colors that seem to change only in brightness to a trichromat might change along an entirely different axis for a tetrachromat. This means colors that seem to change only in brightness or saturation to a trichromat might change along an entirely different axis for a tetrachromat. This can lead to exceptional skills in art design and nature study. A single green leaf may show dozens of shades of green. Just think of all the colors a tetrachromat could see in a garden of flowers compared to a normal person. Conclusion: the rarity and wonder of tetrachromacy. Even though scientists are still learning about tetrachromacy, it helps us understand how amazing and complex human vision really is. And imagine, we only have 3 or 4 cones while some animals have 16. The world might have more colors than we can even imagine. Tetrachromacy also reminds us that the world looks different to everyone. Knowing this helps us understand and respect our differences. It also shows us that perspective matters. Credits. AI video tools used. Helluo.ai Fleeky. AI image tools used. Skywork.ai Google Gemini ChatGPT. Editing tools, Fleeky, Snipping Tool, File Explorer, Google Docs, Canva. Thank you for watching.